Proton Exora Install 10.1-inch Android player with good fitting OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. Proton Exora OEM casing, Android big screen casing, new arrive, stock new. So it's good fitting. Connect back OEM steering control. You can connect hotspot with sharing Wi-Fi. So using like Android version, and full menu that is inside apps. So you can connect your USB with the player have two USB slot. We will putting on drawer. So you may install application on App Store, the Play Store. Thank you. Installed by 1bis.